Hello friends, welcome to my channel Jack Tech. Today I am come back with a new video. In this video I am going to show you how to change image background in just one click without any software. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed my channel then please subscribe my channel. So friends, let's start this video. So friends, this is a sample image which I am going to use to change the background of this image. Now open any browser and type remove.bg. Now click on Upload Image and select your image from your device. Here you have to wait for a few seconds and then it will automatically remove the background of your image. Now you can see the background of image is removed. Here you have two options. One is to download the current image and other option is to edit. In edit section you can easily change the background of image. So let's change the background. Again here there is two option. Either you can choose background from given below or from your device means your own background. So I am simply choosing the given below background. Now you can see the result. There are too many options you can apply as per your wish. And after changing the background you can easily download the image. Thank you so much friends for watching my video. Please do like and also share.